This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Today I'm going to show you guys how fast the MG IM6 or could also be the IM5 chargers. This is 100 kilowatt hour battery that peaks at 395 kilowatt. Amazing speeds, right? We're going to compare also this against a Mercedes CLA, which supports 320 kilowatt. Both of these are 800 volt architecture. Amazing charging speeds, but which car charges the fastest? Okay, let's throw a bunch of other cars also in the mix and see. All right, so immediately it goes up to, well, it takes a little ramp up time there, but over 300 kilowatt, 330. Oh, so we don't see 395 as claimed. So actually the CLA can match the IM6 speed. Actually the CLA and the IM6, they are really neck on neck now. Well, except for that the Seeker 7X just bam goes way faster than the other. Okay. And then we also include Model 3 as a reference for some of the slowest charging cars out there. But okay, back to the IM6, you can still maintain okay speed though. You see, IM6 and CLA, they are roughly in the same state of charge, but the IM6 can go faster than the CLA. Oh, wow, very impressive. Okay, except for that the Seeker 7X is already at 51%. It goes even faster than the other. Okay, but Seeker is more expensive than IM6. Just keep that in mind. But okay, IM6 already hit 50%, CLA is right behind it, 7X is actually leading right now. Wow, charges so fast. Tesla is just so far behind, look at that, only 44%. That is laughable, right, for 2025 tech. Okay, back to the IM6, already hit 60%, CLA is almost at 60%, but look at the IM6 power, even at these state of charges, 65%, it can still maintain over 200 kilowatt, really impressive stuff, man. Yeah, Seeker on the other hand actually is about to hit 80% already. Wow, it's just so crazy that the Seeker, which is also 100 kilowatt hour battery, can charge so much faster than IM6. Both of these are of course Chinese tech, and the Chinese, they're leading in the charging department here compared to the Germans and the Americans. Well, okay, we don't talk too much about them. But Seeker is about to hit 90%. But okay, IM6 on the other hand will hit 80% there after 18-19 minutes. Okay, it's supposed to be 17 minutes, so it's slightly slower than the optimal. Not sure what's up with that. Did it Colgate? The battery wasn't that cold, you know. Okay, but okay, even past 80%, it can still maintain okay speed, just like the CLA. But actually the IM6 is right, well, I would say right behind the 7X, though. 7X has a massive lead. Okay, but it's right in the game there, yes. Goes really fast, even past 80%. I like it. Actually has decent speed to 90% ahead of the CLA. Wow. And then Tesla is at 70% now, whereas Seeker is at 94%. Holy macaroni. Tesla is charging slow. There, IM6 hit 90% after 26 minutes, and then CLA is right behind it. But now the CLA actually has okay speed compared to the IM6. Oh, well, let's see which car goes fastest to 100% then. Okay, well, Seeker has a way too big lead right now. Dude, Tesla hasn't even hit 80%, huh? It's been half an hour. What the heck, man? Okay, right now IM6 and CLA is actually neck on neck when it comes to speed. Wow, the IM6 was fairly fast in the beginning, but now it has way slower speed than the CLA. Oh, impressive of the Germans here, huh? And then Tesla is about to hit 80%. Wait, how long did that... It took 32 minutes for Tesla to hit 80%. That's roughly twice the speed of some of the fastest cars here, like the Seeker. Wow. Okay, and then well, there's something weird happened with the Model 3. Okay, but back there, right? How is it going now? CLA is actually inching on the 7X. So, okay, CLA didn't have the best speed in the beginning, but actually now, if it matters, if you want to go to 100%, then you can actually get okay speed. IM6 is going kind of slower than the CLA, actually. Seems like Seeker will take the win, but then CLA should go on a pretty good second spot. Right behind we have the IM6, yeah, so now we're just watching paint dry. What the heck, Tesla didn't even hit 90% yet, man. Holy, okay. Seeker won to 100% before Tesla hit 90%, lol. But CLA is right behind it, about to finish soon, yes. The charging screens you see there is actually on the CLA is the Neo Gen 3 charging station that provides maximum 480 kilowatt. Oh, nice. Well, actually, CLA hasn't finished yet. The IM6 is starting to inch on the CLA, but we are talking about 45-minute charging time here. And then Tesla finally hit 90%, and now we're just waiting. Which car will hit 100% first? Will it be CLA or IM6? Ooh, okay, okay, yes. CLA managed to go first, and then IM6. Well, look at the Johnny curve. So the green curve here is a Seeker 7X, really impressive speed. But actually the IM6, which costs less than the Seeker, can have okay speed. Really impressive that it can kind of follow the more expensive car. And then we have the CLA, which has an initial higher peak, but then it just fell behind the IM6 until at the very end. But yeah, I would say that the IM6 is a pretty good second place here when it comes to the charting curve. And then we have the Ioniq 5, yeah, the Koreans, they just want to go weird on the charting curve like that. And then the bottom here we have Tesla. Tesla, they really need to up the game in the charting department, and otherwise they're going to fall behind. The only reason why they can still stay in the game is because they are really efficient. But that is also the case for the CLA. Yeah, but well, okay, eventually I'm going to try that new wonderful battery from Tesla, the 5M, 5G, whatever it's called. It's bigger and it charges faster. But will it be as fast as some of the other cars here? Okay, but back to the IM6, IM5. Okay, I still don't know what was wrong with the IM5, because it didn't get 800 volt, it was 400 volt, it was charging at 84 kilowatts. That was weird. I guess maybe it had a smaller battery, 400 volt architecture only, that car I tested, but it was supposed to be that performance version with 751 horsepower also, the IM5. So that was a big mystery. Eventually I'll find out what's up with that. But back to the IM6 we tested today. Really impressive charging speed. Okay, it is thirsty. Well, okay, maybe not as thirsty as this Geländewagen I'm sitting in right now, but I mean, it's still kind of thirsty, that car, but it charges fast. So yeah, as long as you don't go that fast, maybe then it should be plenty, So yeah, very impressive for a car that doesn't cost that much. Yeah, I'm talking about the IM6. You can probably get you can get 4 of those IM6 for one Geländewagen. Yeah, just think about that. Anyway, I think that's going to be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.